Hello students, today in the subject electric power generation, we will conduct the practicals on concentrated solar power plant. Myself Chandrasekhar S. Patil, Sharad Institute of Technology, Polytechnic, Yadra. So, before going into the practicals, we will understand what is solar power technology and what is concentrated solar power plant. Solar energy from sun is collected by different types of solar collectors of various shapes and sizes or collected by using solar ponds. There are different types of solar collectors. Whatever the solar radiations fall, we have to collect the solar radiations and concentrate at one single point to raise the temperature of the vessel kept at that focal point. This solar energy is transferred directly to the working fluid or through heat exchanger. The steam is formed, its pressure is much more. This high pressure steam is impinged on the turbine blades to produce rotational or mechanical energy. This mechanical energy drives the generator and electrical energy is produced. These plants are known as solar thermal power plants. As per the solar power technology, different types of collectors are used and these collectors collect the heat and solar radiations and increase the temperature of the working fluid which is kept at the focal point of the concentrated or the solar collectors. And high pressure steam is produced which is impinged on the turbine's blades where rotational energy is converted into electrical energy, and this type of plants are known as solar thermal power plants. Then we have one type called as solar concentrating collectors. These are focusing collectors by which heat is concentrated and temperature is increased up to 200 degree centigrade to 300 degree centigrade. These collectors are more effective but very costly. Parabolic and Fresnel mirror is used for this. Acrylic material is suitable for Fresnel type lens. In this type of collectors, the so called concentrating collectors, temperature can be increased up till 200 degree centigrade to 300 degree centigrade, and the these are called as focusing collectors in which the heat is concentrated and temperature is increased. These are effective but costly because of the parabolic and Fresnel mirrors used in this. Generally, acrylic material is used for Fresnel type of lenses. Next, types of concentrating collectors. Here in the practicals, you have to draw different types of concentrating collectors, that is parabolic trough concentrator and parabolic dish concentrator and Fresnel lens concentrators. All the three diagrams you have to draw on a drawing sheet and submit. Before going to the schematic diagram, we have to understand what is a parabolic trough concentrator, in which there are different types of trough shaped mirrors arranged. Parabolic trough shaped mirrors are arranged and it is in a parallel rows. These are arranged in a parallel rows. These collect solar radiation over the area of reflecting surface. All the radiations mirrors collect the solar radiations and absorber is along focus axis. Means wherever all the mirrors are concentrated, at that focus point the absorber is kept and the receiver pipe runs along focal point over which concentrated solar radiations fall. Receiver pipe is kept there and heat exchange takes place between the working fluid and the absorber, and the working fluid is heated up and it is sent to the turbine blades. High pressure working fluid is sent to the turbine blades. So, you have to draw the parabolic trough concentrator wherein you have to show the focus point, solar radiations and the reflected solar radiations. Then one more we have the parabolic dish concentrator. Here also the focus point is at the absorber is at the focus point and focus point is shown in the diagram. It has point focus collector in parabolic shape in dish form. This reflects solar radiations on the receiver mounted at focal point. Highest concentration ratio is obtained in such construction. This is flexible and efficient type. Always this is flexible and efficient type, and generally small, medium and large scale power generation is possible using parabolic dish concentrator. So, you have to draw the parabolic dish concentrator and you have to name or label the parts of the parabolic dish concentrator. Then we have the Fresnel lens concentrator. It has thin and long mirror segments. These segments focus solar radiations on receiver at a common focal point. Onward journey of this heat is to heat exchanger for further steps in such as turbine generator unit, and it has better efficiency and higher temperature. Energy storage system cost is very high and maintenance is required. In the Fresnel lens concentrator, which is shown in the diagram here, all the radiations are concentrated by the Fresnel mirror at the common focal point, and the absorber is kept at the focal point, focal axis. Heat exchange takes place between the absorber and the working fluid, and it is impinged to the turbine generator set. Generally, the efficiency is good and temperatures attained are higher, and it requires an energy storage system. For that purpose, cost is very high and also it requires maintenance. So, in this practicals, you have to draw the schematic of parabolic concentrating collector, that is shown in the here, and then parabolic trough concentrator, parabolic dish concentrator and Fresnel lens concentrator. So, 3 diagrams you have to draw and submit to the subject in charge. Thank you.